Because we're here, family, at Assin Manso, it's important that we honor our ancestors as we always do. May I have permission from my elder to speak? Thank you. When I pour libation, call out the names of our historical ancestors, those who paved the way, many of those we saw on the wall, and we say Ashe. Marcus Mosiah Garvey.
Ashe.
Army Nkrumah.
Ashe.
Harriet Tubman.
Ashe.
Kwame Ture.
Ashe.
Sojourner Truth.
Ashe.
Harriet Tubman.
Ashe.
Dr. Walter Rodney.
Ashe. Mary McLeod Bethune.
Ashe.
Malcolm X.
Ashe. The Honorable Elijah Muhammad.
Ashe.
Ashe.
Zora Neale Hurston.
Ashe. Samora Michelle.
Ashe.
Those who we don't know the names of and never will. Those who jumped overboard, those who just got no names that we would ever remember, we honor you, we lift you up, we give thanks for you, we glorify you, we stand on your shoulders. Ashe, 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 Ashe. Let's go forth in victory.